In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on iPad. So let's get started. Now this is like the easiest thing to do. So you're just gonna head to App Store, and here you're gonna search up Stremio. And then you're gonna see this app called Stremio Lite, okay? So you're just gonna go ahead and download it. Obviously, you'll be required to put in your Apple ID password, and then once you've downloaded it, you can just click on open. And then you're going to have three options. You can either sign up with your email, and that's if you don't already have an account. You could continue with Facebook or continue with Apple, okay? But if you already have an account, like in my case, you can just go ahead and click on login, put in your email and password, and you're good to go. And then you can obviously download add-ons from the add-on section, or you can just go to your browser and search up torrent.io download for Stremio, because that's the add-on you need to watch on Stremio, and then you can just download it from there, okay? Now obviously that is one way to use Stremio on iPad. The other way is obviously going to Safari and just searching up here Stremio, yeah? Once you do that, you can just click on the first link and you can directly log in and watch it online as well. But obviously, app is recommended. So, alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.